Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify data migration with Informatica, full guide step by step clearly. Start by defining the scope of your data migration project. Gather all relevant documentation regarding the source and target systems. Identify the key data elements that will be migrated. Establish clear success criteria for the verification process. Set up an Informatica Power Center environment if not already configured. Create a mapping in Informatica for the data transfer from the source to the target. Execute the data migration job using Informatica workflows. Monitor the job to ensure it completes successfully without errors. Once the migration is complete, begin the verification process. Export the data from both the source and target systems. Use SQL queries to extract the relevant datasets for comparison. Load the data into a comparison tool or use a custom script for analysis. Perform a record count comparison to verify the number of migrated records. Analyze key data fields to ensure they match between the source and target. Check for missing records by identifying discrepancies in data completeness. Review data integrity by validating relationships and constraints in the target system. Generate and document any issues discovered during verification. Coordinate with the development team to resolve these issues promptly. Rerun the migration job if necessary after making the required adjustments. Conduct a final review of the data to confirm all criteria have been met. Compile a comprehensive report summarizing the verification results. Present the findings to stakeholders for confirmation that the migration was successful. Ensure all documentation is updated to reflect the completed data migration process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.